So I'm just getting out to a site for a no air conditioning call. This site has multiple units. I think there's about 7 or 8 units out here. All of them are splits. They basically show me the general area that wasn't keeping up with cooling in this area. I found the thermostat. I put it into a call for cool, and then threw a ladder up, got up here on the roof. This is a site that me and a couple other coworkers have been out to in the past. And I do know there's a couple other units that are down here. They just haven't given the okay to do any repairs or replacements. Everything out here is pretty old, R22 splits. But I got up here and pretty quickly, you know, just for a quick observation, I saw the disconnects over here are both on. I got over here and I noticed one was off. So I pulled it off the cover here. Instantly saw wires just exposed, which should never be left that way unless you lock out the disconnect. But yeah, I saw some wires sticking out. I didn't write this up, so instantly as soon as I saw that, I just assumed that someone was testing a compressor. So I got my meter out and I was ohming the leads to the compressor out. Everything was ohming out to each other good, but then to ground, everything, there's basically in the gist, this thing's short to ground is what's going on. So I had continuity between a lead and the ground. So I know in other videos I've kind of preached it a lot, and this is why I always like having a tag left in the unit so you actually know what the heck's going on. I know notes can get kind of messed up when you have multiple units at a different site and stuff like that if it wasn't documented good, but yeah, this thing basically has a bad compressor. And then I have kind of the data tag here. This looks like it's a 2000 based on what I'm seeing here. This 5800. So that 00 is usually the year. So I'm guessing this is a 2000. So well, that makes it about 21 years old right now. And another kind of big red flag for this thing is it's R22, 8 pounds, 3 ounces of it. So with that being said, I'm going to write this thing up. I'm probably going to highly recommend them replacing it rather than trying to do a repair on this old of a system. Doing a repair would be kind of really foolish, and in all honesty, for the cost of everything, it's probably going to be dang near close to what the new system will cost. But yeah, so I'm going to basically tag in this, write it up, make sure I get it back to my office, because we have salespeople who take care of the actual quotes for new equipment, and get it to the right person there, and then let them know. I'm probably gonna get a lockout tag out kit from my truck and put a lock on this just so nothing happens with it, and then I'm probably gonna either put these wires back on or cut the ends off and put wire nuts on it or something like that, just to kind of add extra safety precautions, just so no one's getting hurt. Definitely want to go home at the end of the day without any big issues. So yeah, that's everything I'm pretty much seeing out here. It's actually super easy, and yeah, I mean, it was already pretty much diagnosed without even having to do anything at this point. But yeah, that's basically everything I'm seeing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.